Hello my beauty lovers, it's your girl Myra and I'm back with another video. Hey, I'm back with another video. Before I get this video started, can you please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified when I upload video. What up y'all? How you guys doing out there? I know I've been MIA for a long period of time and I'm so sorry you guys. I've been going through a lot. Okay. First of all, I've been working doubles at my job. I'm trying to get ready to go to Puerto Rico in the next couple of days. Not only that, within last week I freaking got this what you call this, a blister, a fever blister on my lip, which had me postpone from doing videos, had me freaking blocked from everything because I was not going to show my face out here. I was not even going to show my face today and make this video because it still looks a little ugly, you know. I don't know if you don't know, if you guys can see, but it's right here. I developed this, I don't know how. I think it's from excessive sun exposure. In my last video I was telling you guys a story on how we went to back to the beach and to my job's picnic, and I was exposed to a lot of sun. I was out there tanning, and that created my fever blisters. At first I thought it was freaking heat bumps, and I started picking at it. My stupid ass started picking at it, like thinking this is like, what the hell, I can't stand pimples, I can't stand none of that stuff in my face. To the point I started picking at things, and I know that's bad, but that's the way I am. I started picking at it, and the next morning I woke up with my lip fat as hell. My God, this upper lip right here was so fat. It was so ugly. I was so freaking annoyed with it. I can't stand this thing on my lip. Like, get out of here as soon as possible. Like, I can't, like, it gotta go away. I don't want to hear it. Get out. Nobody invited you, period. Get out of here. Oh my God. So yeah, I've been going to work with this lip ridiculously fucked up, and yeah, so just want to make this video so you guys can well, know a little update on what I've been doing. I've been working my double shift at work, trying to pack up stuff to go to Puerto Rico, waiting on my daughter to come back from her vacation where she went to Texas. She'll be back Thursday morning, and then she gotta pack because she's coming with me to Puerto Rico. It's gonna be me, my mom, my father, and my daughter. My older sister's out there already, so we're gonna meet up, have like a big family reunion. So I can't wait. But this thing right here, it gotta go. Like, I don't know, you're not invited, okay? You're not invited to this damn freaking vacation of mine. God, this thing is getting my freaking nerves. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do a makeup tutorial, a little chat makeup tutorial for you guys. I'm gonna try not to put no lipstick because I've been trying to keep my lips as clean as possible, trying to put the ointment on and trying to keep it, you know, just clean every time I eat. You know, I just don't like my lips being dry. I just gotta keep moistening it up. So yeah, that's been my week, and I'm pissed because I miss you guys. I miss doing makeup. I miss just, you know, just being creative, and I couldn't do that for the past almost a week. I was googling like, how the hell you get this stuff, when is it gonna disappear, and it says it takes about a week or 2 weeks, and I said let me go to Home Remedies and see what I could do. So I cut this bitch up to 1 week. I'm like, no. I gave you 2 to 3 days, but then you want to grow and be this big ugly thing on my lip? No. So I decided to, well, my boyfriend decided to, listen, put some hydrogen peroxide on it and burn the bitch. Like, we literally burned the bitch up to the point like it started scabbing and all that. So I reduced the long period of time this shit was gonna be on my lip. But All right, anyways, enough of me ranting about my lip situation. Today's video, we're gonna do something soft, something cute or whatever, using the MAC palette I have here, and this is the Amber's Time 9. This is how it looks like. It's very pretty, very natural, very neutral, and I like it. That's how it looks like. We're gonna use that. And my skin been so dry too. I've been packing a lot of Cetaphil, the moisturizing hydrating cream on my face, because this summer got me dried up and I can't stand my face being dry. So that's what I've been using for my face. So yeah, I did my eyebrows off camera using the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade, and I prime my eyelid using the MAC Soft Ochre. So yeah, we're gonna start with this. So yeah, I just been cleaning my beauty area over here, getting things organized, so whenever I start my videos again. And I started finding products that I forgot that I even have. I'm like, damn, you know, I should record it with this. So this is one of the items I found, the MAC one. I've been had this for years. I just found it out. Anyways, so if I go MIA for a while, guys, please bear with me. Like I said, I do have a 9 to 5, and I'm trying my best to, you know, make every other day videos and try to edit. You know, that do takes time and consistency, and I'm trying guys, but I'm gonna give you guys more content. I'm gonna be out in Puerto Rico for 2 weeks, and hopefully I could try to upload videos through my phone. I'm gonna see if I try to take my computer with me, but hopefully I could do vlog videos so you guys can see a little bit of my personal life and my family, take you guys on a journey. If I don't upload by the time I'm out there, it's because I'm having some damn technical difficulty. Like I said, I'm still new to this YouTube channel, to this YouTube world, and I hope you guys can bear with me and try to hang there with me and support me, and just, you know, what can I say? Just ride with me. You feel me? So, all right, so let me stop rambling and let's get to it. So we're gonna take this color over here. This is, what color is this? It's like a soft cappuccino color, and we're gonna put that on our eyelid, on our crease, and we're gonna pack that on. Like I said, I'm doing a very soft look today. I've been missing my baby girl, my daughter. She's been out there in Texas. Now she's in Mexico. She went to her uncle's graduation out there with her grandmother and her father. I miss her. And not only that, this lip been preventing me from doing a lot of things. A lot of things. Like, I can't even kiss my goddaughter, and I don't see her that often, but when I see her, I just want to kiss her and don't let her go. But you know, it says you can't kiss nobody, none of that stuff, because it is contagious or whatnot, whatever the case. But yeah, it was very challenging for me not to grab her and kiss her up, because she got these fat ass cheeks, these thighs, oh my god. And she's gonna be 2 years old in November, and I'm so freaking excited. yeah, like I was saying, she's gonna be 2 years old in November, and I'm so excited. Like, I miss her when she was a baby girl. I miss her when she was a baby. She's still adorable. I just, you know, she's getting big so fast, and it's like, oh my God, where has the time gone? Like, it's like yesterday you were just born. Like, what's going on? So yeah, every other weekend I tried, me and my bestie try to spend time with each other and do things and catch up, you know. So around those times, that's the times I see my goddaughter. Or sometimes when I'm off, I try to pick her up as often I can. I try to spend as much time as I can with her because I don't want to miss any moments. You know, I miss my daughter already when she was a baby. Just like having my goddaughter around is just a blessing, and it's like, oh, my baby girl. It's my baby girl. Anyways, how you guys been doing out there? How's the weather treating you guys out there? Jersey has been up and down with this weather. Sometimes it could be raining, sometimes it could be hot as hell. This rain could get to you. But I can't wait to get out of Jersey and fly out to Puerto Rico to see my familia and spend time with my family. Like, period. Alright, so we're gonna go in with that darker color right here. I will give you names, but these names are very tiny and I don't know what order they're in. Just a little tab, and we're gonna put that on our outer V. Like so. I've been packing, and I'm literally packing like I'm going away for a couple of months. It's ridiculous. To the point that don't even fit in my luggage. Like, I can't even close my luggage. To the point I gotta ball up everything real tightly, like army folding or whatever you call them, to make it fit in my luggage, because it's ridiculous. Oh, sorry. I didn't know how to position this camera. I'm like, is this too low, too high, too short? So yeah, we're gonna put that in the outer V, and we're just gonna blend it out, just give it a little bit of depth right there. Okay, and now we're gonna go in with that gold color right here in the middle, this one, and we're gonna put that in our lid. I don't even know if I'm using lashes today. I'm trying to keep it very simple. Not too much. My skin is my eyelids, my tongue. Massive comb, and a little bit on our brow bone. Like so. I'm gonna put that in my tear duct as well. And love this store brand highlighter because it looks like a champagne color, and it's so pretty on the skin. And this color would look very nice on my dark complexion out there, on my chocolate queens out there. It would look very pretty on you guys. Okay, that's that for that. Now we're gonna, you know what? I'm not gonna put no lashes on today. Not today, guys. I'm just gonna keep it short and simple. Who has tried these candies? The Laffy Taffy Pineapple and Guava. Oh, don't sleep on this. This is good. I can't find my eyelash curler, but we're gonna go in with mascara. And like I said, I'm gonna keep my lips as natural as possible. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna put a little bit of chapstick because I'm not trying to put no lipstick or nothing on it. Just keep it like so it could heal as soon as possible. So yeah guys, this is the final look. Stay tuned for the end results. Guys, this completes this look. I hope you guys liked it. Please excuse this damn blister of mine on my lip. So yeah guys, thank you for